Augustine County in eastern Texas, southeastern Shelby County in eastern Texas, until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mansfield, Milam, Manny, St. Augustine, Zwolle, Hemphill, Pilen, Converse, Pertroon, Rosevine, Land Lake, Macon, Oak Grove, Pleasant Hill, Florian, Provençal, Huxley, South Mansfield, Noble and Fisher. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: DeSoto, Natchitoches, Red River and Sabine, and the following